During last off-road trip I noticed strange issues with my GoPro 12. Before on the same SD card I did not notice such kind of problems. In total I recorded 20 movies in 4K resolution and 60 FPS. 2 of them got issues. This is okay. This also. But this one, after 8 seconds got frozen screen but sound was still recording. Second problem is more strange. After 2 minutes and 18 seconds screen started glitching and shaking to the end of record. For shaking we can suspect that camera had an issue with hypersmooth software or hardware. But how to explain glitching? On the end I would like to show SD card specification. As we can see SD without any problem should meet requirements of 15 megabytes disk for 4K materials in GoPro 12.